Good morning, friends. I hope you're all doing well and having a very cozy week. I know this time of year has been a bit stressful for a lot of us with back to school and a lot of things at work picking up, so I thought we could spend today having an autumnal self-care day together. I know I've been feeling really overwhelmed with work and so many things I have to do in my daily life, and I just want to take a little bit of a break and slow down and have a nice relaxing day. So I'm going to go for a walk in the woods this morning and then come home and make myself a nice, comforting, nourishing meal. And then later tonight, I'd like to have a little at-home spa night. So if all of that sounds good to you, grab something to drink, get cozy, and let's spend this autumnal self-care day together. So I picked up some ingredients from the store on the way home from the woods, and I'm going to make a slow cooker lentil and veggie stew for dinner, and I'm going to eat it with this rosemary bread that smells so good. Rosemary is my favorite herb. I can't wait to eat this. The stew needs to simmer in the slow cooker for about 4 hours, so let's put on a nice fall playlist and let's get cooking, friends.
Tumbleweed
So the stew has been simmering for a couple of hours. I've cleaned up around the house and eaten lunch, and now I'm very ready for a cozy spa night at home. So I'm going to go take a shower, and then I'm going to make a couple of self-care DIYs for this evening. Dinner.
It's good.
This tea is one of my favorite autumn teas. The apple and orange go so well together, but what really makes this tea so wonderful is the hibiscus. It has a little bit of a cranberry flavor, which pairs really well with the other autumnal flavors in the tea, but it also adds this red color that I just think makes it even more special. So now Alex and I are going to make a little snack plate to go with our tea, and we're going to cozy up and have a fall movie night. just about to get ready for bed and I looked down at my phone and my channel is at 9,998 subscribers. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. So I'm sitting here with Alex and we are going to watch as it turns to 10,000, and we wanted to share this moment with you. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but I am.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Oh my god. I cannot believe that there are 10,000 of us. You all brighten my day so much. Your comments have just meant so much to me, and I feel like we are all friends and we are just creating a really special online community. So thank you all again so much, and I will see you next week. Bye.